In this video, we are going to learn one new concept. It is to find the angle of intersection. Okay. So following curves, that means two curves will be given. We have to find the angle of intersection. For that purpose, what we have to do? We have to find the phi1 and phi2 value and take the difference of both. Okay. So some positive value you should be getting. So what is the first step we are going to do? Taking log on both sides. So first curve r is equal to sine theta plus cos theta. So we are going to take the log. So log r is equal to log of sine theta plus cos theta. Here also r is there. We are going to take log. So log r is equal to log of 2 sine theta. Then now we are having one formula for what the log we have studied. Log m into n is what? Log m plus log n. This can be applied over here. So this particular thing becomes log r is equal to log 2 plus log sine theta, right? So after getting this, we can find the go for the next step, which is differentiation. Okay, so after simplifying, we can go for next step, differentiation with respect to theta. Now here we'll start differentiating. Log r is there, so log x differentiation we have studied, it is 1 by x. Here it is r, so we can write it as 1 by r. But the problem here it is that we are differentiating with respect to theta, not r. So we have to write it as dr by d theta, simple, is equal to log of something is there. Again we have to go for the differentiation. It is 1 by sine theta plus cos theta, but in place of x or theta, what is sitting? Sine theta plus cos theta. Chain rule you have to apply. Again we have to differentiate sine theta plus cos theta. What is differentiation of sine theta? We know it is cos theta, and cos theta differentiation is minus sine theta. Done. This is what we have done. I directly have differentiated the denominator part. Chain rule. Okay. Here again the same thing. 1 by r dr by d theta equal to log 2. 2 is a constant value, so log 2 differentiation will be 0 plus log of sine theta. So we can write it as 1 by sine theta. Again you have to differentiate sine theta, which is cos theta, right? So we'll just write the simplified form. Now one more thing. 1 by r dr by d theta can be written as cot phi. Remember, cot phi. It is not differentiation part. Always remember, in polar curves we have studied, we have solved many problems. 1 by r dr by d theta will be written as cot phi. But here for the first curve I'll take it as phi 1. Next curve phi 2. So cot phi is equal to cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Now here also same thing. This particular thing I'll write it as cot. I'll write phi 2. Here it is cos theta by sin theta. Now I have to get the value of phi 1 and phi 2. For that purpose, what I can do? I have to get the RHS part also in the form of phi 1, in the form of cot or tan, because then only I can get the value of phi 1 or phi 2, because cot is sitting beside phi 1 and phi 2, right? So RHS part, let us try to bring in it tan or cot form. Tan also easily you can convert it to cot. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, whatever it is there. So cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta plus cos theta. This type of problems we have done previously also. What we can do here, we'll divide this by cos theta. So dividing numerator as well as denominator by cos theta. So cos theta minus sin theta divide by cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divide by cos theta. There is no harm in that. I am not dividing the LHS part and RHS part with cos theta. What am I doing? I am dividing the numerator and denominator by cos theta. There is no harm in doing that because anyways it will get cancelled, right? So LHS part, it is cot phi 1 only. Here cos and cos gone, cos and cos gone. So what is the remaining thing? Cot phi 1 equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta divided by sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta. So what I'll do, I'll write 1 first, then I'll write tan theta. In some form. What form is that? We have to try to analyze, right? So we have studied the formula for tan A plus B or tan x plus y, whatever you have studied, that particular thing I am talking about. So tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, right? So what if I take A value as 45 and B as B itself, okay, or theta will take. So suppose if I take A value as 45, or you can take pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus theta. B value is theta, A value is pi by 2. Sorry, not pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. I have to get it as 45. So pi by 4 I have to take. So here what happens? Tan pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Now what is tan pi by 4 value? We know it is 1. So it will be 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus, is also gone. So it is tan theta, right? Now if you observe this and this, it is quite similar. But the only problem is that this both are reciprocal with each other. So this is tan pi by 4 plus theta. So this particular thing you can write it as what? Reciprocal if I take. See what happens. If I want to write cot pi by 4 plus theta, what happens then? You have to just take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means it will be 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So now this and this are exactly same, equal, right? So I can directly write there cot phi 1 is equal to cot of pi by 4 plus theta. Simple way. Now cot and cot is gone. So what is phi 1 value? Pi by 4 plus theta. This is how we have to do. This I am doing just the first part of the curve. First curve I am doing. Okay, let us go for the second curve also. Just note it down this part. Okay. But cot phi 2 is equal to cos theta by sin theta. This can be directly written as what? Cot theta. Cos by sin is what? Cot theta. So from this phi 2 directly you got it as theta. Simple. No simplification required. Now we got phi 2 value and phi 1 value. Let us find out what angle of intersection. Angle of intersection is equal to phi 1 minus phi 2. So here what is phi 1 value? Pi by 4 plus theta minus phi 2 value is theta. Theta and minus theta gone. So what is left out? Pi by 4. So it is equal to pi by 4. So the angle of intersection for this particular two curves is pi by 4.